Welcome to Casa AFL!
Here we are in this beautiful location in the sunny Marbella. We came along to meet the developer for AFL Casa and all the other parties involved to finish this amazing project. I'm Gabriel from RE Interiors, and I overlooked this project from the very beginning when we just had like a vision and just a foundation in place. And we came with some interesting ideas which we were able to implement right away, changing internal configuration and overlook the whole project throughout, and then look at the finishes, how we can improve, how we can get the best out of it. And now we're going to see the last few people involved, and now we're getting closer and closer and to what is going to be looking like an amazing project. The vision of this project was to create a hotel look and to have like clean, nice, modern lines throughout, and then how we're going to use calm tones with black accents and then really nice sleek elements throughout. A lot of natural materials. We're using Decton, which is a premium product for tiles. That's throughout, indoor and outdoor as well. We're going to be using for cladding. We're going to have an amazing water feature by the entrance. Have lighting is really important. Different areas, quite distinct. There's a massive terrace, which is going to host events, a 200 square meter one, and then have different areas. A pool has a distinctive area, which is going to host parties as well. Then also have a relaxing area, which is going to have a jacuzzi, a fire pit, and an ice bath possibly. We're still discussing this. Everything's going to be finished to a really high standard, and we're choosing the best finishes for it. We will have an Italian kitchen. We just had a chat where we're discussing details and finishes and so on. And also the wardrobes are going to be done by the same manufacturer. I'm guessing we're going in the right direction with this. And then also the bathroom, we're going to have some German like throughout. We're making sure that we're using the right products to achieve the finish that we want to have.
I am Gemma Marbella. I am a real estate here on the Costa del Sol of Andalusia. I specialise in finding plots, new builds and houses for my clients. The areas that I specialise in is from really La Cala to Marbella. I absolutely pride myself in what I do. I really enjoy what I do, and I'm very much always on my client's side as well. That's something that I'm really particular with. Now, I've been working alongside Liam for a while now. We have found him an amazing project here on the Costa del Sol. We have found him a plot, and we are now converting it into this amazing villa, which is going to be out of this world, which is going to be completed this year in 2024. And currently I'm sitting in one of Liam's stunning short-term rental villas that we're using this summer to be hosting Liam's Assets for Life's Mindset retreats.
So just so we can let people know, Gemma, how did you actually find the site?
We have access to a lot of the properties on the Costa del Sol, and I actually found this plot for Liam. We did take a week looking at all built properties, but this one, there was something that just kept drawing us back to this plot. So sometimes, sometimes things just show up that are meant to be, and this is definitely meant to be.
Back again on site to see the progress on AFL Casa. This is the entrance of the building. This side of the building is going to have an amazing water feature, and the side above that will be cladded in Decton, which will be an amazing feature as well. This is the main attraction of the house, which is going to have the kitchen, dining area, and also an amazing living area all the way to the back. We have an amazing Italian manufacturer who's going to put together the kitchen, and also be working with Decton, which you're going to have throughout flooring. The table as well, going to have Decton, and all the way in the back is a custom-made media wall, which is to be cladded with Decton, also with custom-made furniture. Lighting is going to be impressive. We're going to have recessed lighting throughout the perimeter, which is going to change color as well. An amazing sound system, and seating for 10, 12, possibly more, around the sofa, which you're going to have on that end. This side is going to have windows going to the swimming pool. Right after the kitchen, you're going to have a secondary kitchen. It was going to be more like a utility room, which is going to be manufactured by the same manufacturer in Italy. This is the second lounge, which is going to be used as a TV room or cinema room, more relaxed atmosphere than the first one. And again, this is going to have like amazing media wall on this wall, possibly going to have a projector instead of a TV. We're still debating that. And then I'm going to have a desk area as well, and then a really nice comfy sofa, enough for 6, maybe 8 people. This will be the amazing pool area, a massive swimming pool, 12 meters by 7. Around they're going to have a nice sunbeds table for 12, and then some sunbeds around that area. Towards the back we have an outside kitchen, which is going to have a table with some more lounge type of seating. The swimming pool is going to have some seats, some beds into the swimming pool as well, and then some really nice feature, which you're going to have water feature and then some lighting as well.
Hey, well, thanks for watching, and that is the Marbella visit done. I really hope you've enjoyed this. Hey, of course, we are going to be flying back to Marbella very, very soon, but if we look at the 4 days, we have done incredibly well. We've started early, we've finished late, we've had a lot of fun and adventure on the way. We have met with the developers. We've met with designers. We have been into showrooms. We've been all the way to Granada and back. We have made critical decisions on the indoor and outdoor tile. We've spoke about kitchens, bathrooms, layouts, sound systems, pergolas, you name it. We have done it over these last 4 days, and it has been one hell of a trip. So I just want to say a big shout out to Gabrielle, my interior designer, architect. Big shout out to Jordan, our fantastic cameraman. And of course, a big shout out to each and every single one of you for watching this video. I really hope I've inspired you in some way. You can do it. If I can do it, you are just one decision, one property investor, one mentor away from experiencing a completely different life.